Natural stone cladding has become a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their walls and add a touch of elegance to their living spaces. Whether you're renovating your home or building a new one, natural stone cladding can instantly transform the look and feel of any room. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of using natural stone cladding in your living room decor and provide some trendy ideas to help you create a stylish and sophisticated space. One of the main advantages of natural stone cladding is its durability. Unlike other materials such as paint or wallpaper, natural stone is resistant to wear and tear, making it a long-lasting option for your walls. It also adds a sense of luxury and sophistication to any room, creating a timeless and elegant look that never goes out of style. In terms of design, natural stone cladding offers a wide range of options to suit your personal style and taste. From classic marble and granite to rustic slate and limestone, there are numerous types of natural stone to choose from, each with its own unique texture and color. You can mix and match different types of stone to create a customized look that reflects your personality and complements the rest of your decor. When it comes to installing natural stone cladding, you have several options available. You can choose to cover an entire wall with stone for a bold statement, or opt for a more subtle approach by creating an accent wall with stone panels. You can also combine natural stone with other materials, such as wood or metal, to add depth and texture to your walls. Whichever option you choose, natural stone cladding is sure to make a stunning impact in your living room. To help you get started, here are a few ideas to inspire your living room decor with natural stone cladding. Create a focal point. Use natural stone cladding to highlight a fireplace or TV wall, drawing attention to the center of the room and adding a touch of sophistication to the space. Mix and match textures. Combine different types of stone, such as marble and slate, to create a dynamic and visually appealing feature wall that adds depth and interest to your living room. Add a touch of color. Choose natural stone in vibrant shades, such as blue or green, to inject a pop of color into your living room and create a modern and stylish look. Incorporate lighting. Install LED lighting behind your natural stone cladding to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, enhancing the beauty of the stone and adding a touch of luxury to your living room. In conclusion, natural stone cladding is a versatile and stylish option for upgrading your walls and creating a trendy living room decor. With its durability, design flexibility, and timeless appeal, natural stone is sure to make a lasting impression in your home. Whether you choose to cover an entire wall or create an accent feature, natural stone cladding is a great way to elevate the look and feel of your living room.